5 reasons why you need to be doing planks every day. When it comes to fitness exercises that can be done without any weights, the most common one that comes to mind is planks. This is because it can be done practically anywhere, requires little to no time investment, and do not require anything beyond your own body weight. In addition to this, they are one of the most effective exercises available for your core, as they boost fitness levels in a myriad of ways. Beyond engaging multiple muscle groups, planks are known to reduce your chance for injury and can even improve your posture. Here are 5 reasons why you need to be doing planks every single day as part of your workout routine. 1. They effectively improve your core's performance and overall definition. Because planks engage 4 muscle groups, each muscle group will become strengthened the more often you plank. Each muscle group serves a purpose and contributes to the overall definition of the abdominal region. You will engage your transverse abdominis, which allows you to lift more. You will enhance your rectus abdominis, which improves jumping and gives you that six-pack look. And you will work out your obliques, which will allow you to bend and twist. Beyond this, you will work out your glutes, which will provide you with an extremely well-shaped butt and a strong back. 2. You will reduce back and spinal injuries. When you do planks regularly, not only do you help rid yourself of back pain, but you build muscle without putting any pressure on your hips and spine. The more you do, the stronger your back muscles will get, and the stronger they are, the less likely you are to injure them. 3. You can increase or boost your metabolism. If you have ever done a plank, you understand how insanely difficult it is to hold that position for 1 to 2 minutes. This is because you are engaging 4 muscle groups while trying to maintain and hold up your body. When you challenge your body like this in short bursts, it increases your metabolism, which helps you burn more energy when sedentary. When you consistently boost your metabolism to a higher rate, eventually you will burn at that rate even while sleeping. 4. Your posture will improve dramatically. Planking causes you to straighten out your back and makes you more aware of proper and straight form. This enhances your awareness of proper posture. When you have good posture, your bones and joints will be aligned, which helps reduce pain. Plus, when you have correct posture, you look healthier, more confident, and fitter. 5. You will gain mental benefits. The 4 muscle groups that planks work out contribute to a lot of stress in the body. Unfortunately, when you sit all day long, your legs will get heavy, your back will take on stress, your shoulders will have tension develop in them, and your thigh muscles will get tight. By stretching these out, you can release this stress and tension, which will help you relieve negative mental symptoms. Beyond this, by doing planks every day, you will become more flexible, will improve your overall balance, and everyday tasks will get easier because you will get stronger. There's really no reason to not get into doing planks regularly.